Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Mighty Networks, one of the biggest platforms for building online communities, memberships, and courses all in one place. I'll walk you through an extended overview. We'll see all the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and I'll wrap up with a balanced conclusion so you know if this is the right fit for you. At the end, I would also suggest 3 alternatives for you if you think this is not the right fit for you. Well, let's get started. Mighty Networks is an all-in-one platform designed specifically for creators, coaches, brands, and organizations that want to build an engaged online community. And unlike traditional course platforms that only focus on content delivery, Mighty Networks puts community at the center of everything. The big idea behind Mighty Networks is simple. Instead of spreading your audience across Facebook groups, Zoom, email newsletters, course platforms, and multiple payment tools, you can run everything under one roof. Your members get a single place to interact, to learn, connect, attend events, and access content. You get one system to manage everything. The platform is built around the concept of spaces, different areas where people can gather, post updates, share topics, join challenges, learn in cohorts, or access premium communities. It's specifically engineered to increase member engagement by giving them a structured, social environment rather than a simple course player. And who is Mighty Networks best for? If you are a creator running memberships, a coach running cohorts, a business building a branded community, or an educator hosting group programs, Mighty Networks is built for you. It's especially powerful if you want your members to interact actively rather than just watch pre-recorded lessons. If your main goal is selling traditional courses online with heavy funnels, or you just want a simple mailing list plus course setup, Mighty Networks might feel like too much. But for community-first businesses, it's one of the most complete tools that you can have out there. Now, let us talk about the main features of the Mighty Networks platform. Community spaces. These are customizable areas where members can post updates, join discussions, share content, and participate in polls. You can create as many spaces as you want for different topics, cohorts, groups, or events. Courses and learning spaces. Mighty Networks supports both structured courses and cohort-based programs. You can drip lessons, you can run weekly challenges, you can host accountability groups, or even run live sessions directly in the platform. Memberships and monetization. You can charge for access to your entire community, to specific spaces, or to standalone courses. You can also offer monthly, annual, or one-time pricing. Everything is built in, no additional checkout tools are required. Events and live sessions. You can host live sessions, you can do workshops, meetups, or Q&A events. Members can RSVP to events, add them to calendars, and join live right from the platform. How about the mobile apps? Your members can use Mighty Networks on iOS or Android. The app is available there. And that gives you a real app-like experience without building your own. Well, higher tiers even allow more. They allow for more branding, customization. How about the analytics and insights? You get tools to track your member activity, the engagement, the sign-ups, and retention. It's not the most advanced analytics suite in the world, but at least it covers everything that is needed for most community businesses. And as earlier mentioned, the customization and branding is great. You can create a fully branded community with your own colors, designs, welcome messages, and structured onboarding flows. Now, what is the pricing of Mighty Networks like? First, it's great to know that there is a free trial plan for 14 days, that's 2 weeks. And with this, you'll be able to add content and events, create courses, challenges, set up payments, add branding, invite members, and even do more. So a 14-day free trial will definitely convince you if you need Mighty Networks or not. Then let's head on to the other plans. There's the courses plan, the business plan, the growth plan, and the branded apps plan, which is the Mighty Pro. The courses plan costs $109 per month, the business plan $189 per month, growth plan $360 per month, and the Mighty Pro will have you request pricing, get a custom demo. Now, these prices come when you do the annual billing. If you want to pay monthly, it increases. So making an annual payment gives you a great discount. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Mighty Networks? First, the pros. You have an all-in-one community with courses and events platform all in one place. It has a strong mobile app experience for members. It's highly customizable and you have a community structure. There's built-in monetization for memberships and programs, and it's great for engagement, for cohorts and interactive learning. It reduces the number of tools you use because you have everything in one place. How about the cons? The interface can sometimes feel complex for beginners, and the pricing can increase quickly as you scale. The analytics and automation are good, but they're not so detailed. Just what community businesses might need on the basics. So overall, Mighty Networks stand out as one of the strongest community platforms in 2025, definitely, because it's designed for creators and businesses who understand that community engagement is at the heart of its long-term growth. If your business model depends on membership programs, paid programs, group coaching, peer interaction, or community-driven courses, then you're going to find a lot of value in how seamlessly everything works together. Of course, it's not a perfect match for everyone, because if your business relies heavily on detailed email marketing automation, advanced funnels, or deep integrations with tools like CRM systems, you may find that Mighty Networks doesn't quite go far enough. And if you're on a tighter budget, or you just need a simple course platform, then the monthly cost might feel higher than the alternatives. But if your mission is to build a thriving, interactive, connected community that learns and grows together, then Mighty Networks is easily one of the top platforms to consider in 2025. And that's it on the review of Mighty Networks. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Circle, Kajabi, and Disciple. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.